Let's start programming in Java. Using for loop. Let's write public class for loop, then take two curly brackets, have a space, write public static void main string with any argument, take it another block, say integer I is equal to 0, close this, then you can start for loop where your I equal to 0, control that is up to less than 10, I equal to I plus 1, and then we are looking for something to print. Let's say system dot out dot println. Say for example I want to print I as a value, okay, and want to save the program. Let's go with this, save, select some place, and look Java, it already exists, then it will change, fine, and we should know. Let's run this program. How to run it? Terminal, ls command, let's see what it shows me. cd, go to the document, change directory, then star.java, that is on command prompt, you will find out where is the program. Then you write java compile java c for loop dot java, enter, and press enter, it will respond you, everything is fine, then no error, command prompt will show again like this. This is your output, okay. That is one way. You can have in another way also. You can remove println, save the program, again compile it. Just a minute. Okay, so in this fashion we are able to write this program. Okay, that is clear. This is simple single loop Java.